Today, we're exploring Higgsfield AI, one of the most powerful platforms for video generation and image generation with AI. In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to create video ads for either a product or a service inside the UI for this platform. The ad you're seeing on the screen right now was generated entirely with AI inside Higgsfield. No camera crew, no video editing software, and no complex setup. And the interesting part is that you can create ads like this in just a few simple steps, even if you have never created a video ad before. We will start with a quick overview of how the platform works, what it offers, and what it can do. And then I'll walk you through the entire process of how to generate video ads for either a product or a service inside the platform UI. So let's jump right into it. So here we are inside Higgsfield platform, and Higgsfield is a generative AI platform for video and image creation. Here we will be creating the AI ads, and this is built to make high quality content fast and accessible. Inside a single interface, you get access to some of the latest AI models for image and video generation, all in one single place. Now here you can create cinematic videos, short form clips, social media ads, and marketing content using simple prompts and visual inputs. Instead of relying on traditional camera crew, complex editing timelines, or expensive production tools, you use this platform that uses AI as well to handle most of the heavy lifting for you. Now, what makes this platform special in particular, there are multiple ones, but this one, I find it to be the most useful. And it stands out because it is not just one model or one feature. It's kind of more like a full creative studio powered with AI, where you can generate visuals, turn them into video, control motion, and even add audio depending on the workflow you choose. Now, today I will be showing you how to create ads using this specific platform for products or services, and in just a few simple steps directly inside this platform. In the future, I've planned to create a video using this platform's API to create an entire end-to-end workflow to generate ads for you in just one simple step with one simple input, and post them automatically with Facebook ads or any ads platform you choose. Now, in order to create our first ad for a product, we have to go to video and then to click to add. And then here, what you would do is just paste your product page URL. In this case, what I want to do is use an Amazon product. So let's find one and let's make a video about it. Right, so now let's just pick a random product here. Let's go to, I don't know, watches or something. This one seems nice. So what I'm going to do is just copy the URL to this link, to this product link, and copy it here, right? So in product page URL, you're going to paste your product and then continue. What this is going to do is going to recollect your whole branding style, the whole product information, images, logo, etc., colors, and it is going to create kind of the product kit to create then the ad. So let's wait for it to finish, and I will continue with the creation of our ad. Okay, so as you can see here on this page, it just took the whole information of our product, so including the product images, the logo and brand colors, and basically everything related to our product. This just took like about 1 to 2 minutes, or it can take a few seconds even, but let's just then continue, and then it is gonna ask us to pick a specific preset to choose the ad style. So what I want to do here, as it gives kind of a higher conversion rate, is pick simple UGC. So we're going to create a UGC ad for this product, and here you can pick either premium, standard, or high. Here what I want to do is just create the highest quality one. So I'm going to pick premium and click on generate video. This is going to take a few tokens out of your account, but it is going to then go ahead and process the generation of our video. This usually takes around 2 to 10 minutes depending on the quality specifically. So let's just wait for this to create our product ad. Okay, so after 5 minutes, around 5 minutes, 7 minutes, this just finished, and here's the result, right? So this is basically just showcasing what our product is. You can either edit this, create another one, or just repeat the process in case you didn't like the result, etc. But this is basically just a very simple 3-step process in order to create AI UGC ads for a specific product. Now here, what you want to do after this, if you like the result, then you're just gonna click this button down here to download it, and that's it. That's basically the whole process of generating the ad. So instead of paying UGC creators to do this for you, you can just use AI to do it, and you're gonna save money and maybe time as well. Now what I want to do apart from this, from creating an AI UGC ad for a product, I want to also show you how you can create an ad for a specific service that you sell. So for instance, I sell AI solutions to businesses. In this case, let's just go to Lip Sync Studio. So what I want to do here inside this specific feature is first upload my own image to create my avatar, and then also upload the audio that I want my character to mention. So you can either generate the audio using words, like type in the script, etc., or you can upload your own audio, which is the option that I'm going to take. And then what you have to do is just prompt it, describe the scene, how you imagine it with details, pick the model, pick the quality, and just click on generate, and you will have your own ad. So I'm going to do this by myself. You can see here that I tested this a few seconds ago, and it is currently in progress, but I will run you through the entire process again. So first, I'm going to upload my own image. Here I have kind of a decent image of myself. So I'm going to just upload it. Then I have to pick an audio. You can, as I mentioned before, you can either generate or upload. So I'm going to upload because I want to use my own voice, and also generate like kind of a longer script, right? So I have to upload my own audio. You can see that I uploaded it already, but yeah, so it's this one. So here, in this audio, what I'm doing is just promoting my own services for real estate agents. So kind of AI voice agent creation in a very nice way, set in a very nice way for real estate agents. So that's the example I have for you. And what I have to do here is just upload the audio in MP3, WAV, or WAV format. And just here, once you upload it, you'll have it here available, and just pick it. Once you have that, then you just describe the scene, how you imagine it. So I'm gonna use a very simple prompt. Of course, you can do this better than me, but I'm gonna say just, I don't know. So I'm just gonna say subject talking directly to the camera. That's it. I could add more details, but I don't want to do that just for the sake of the example. But once you have that, you just pick the model. As I already picked that, so Clink Avatar 6.0, which is the one I'm going to use. And then the quality, either Pro or Standard. I'm going to use Pro. It costs a little bit more, but I think it's worth it. So I will click on Generate, and it's going to start processing. I already clicked on Generate multiple times, so with this same input. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste credits. But I will show you what the results were here, right? After I clicked on Generate during my past tests. And that's it. So that's the whole process to generate your own AI ad for services in particular. So yeah, let me just wait for a second in order for this to process, and then I will show you the results. Okay, so this just finished processing. I did multiple tests with this, and the results are quite funny, because I would take it is because the photo I uploaded is kind of edited and not natural. I would have to take a selfie of myself on a natural disposition, and also prompted with very specific details. But look at the results, right? So here you can see myself talking to the camera using the photo that I uploaded, and it's a bit weird, right? Because I mean, this photo is not the best. I give it a very vague prompt, but yeah, you can get much better results if you follow these steps correctly, not like myself. So yeah, it's a bit weird the way I talk and the way it uses the edited photo of myself as a selfie. But yeah, as I mentioned, this is very powerful if you use it correctly. This was just a very basic test to see the results with fake inputs. So yeah, that's it. Right, so that was the whole process for generating 2 different ads for 2 different products or services. And I can find the real value here not by using the own dashboard they have or their own UI, which is great. You can generate ads in just a few simple steps. But now imagine the type of automation that you can build around these types of features, right? So you can build your own entire end-to-end agent to give it some simple inputs, and then have it generate the whole AI ads, post them directly into your campaign, manage the campaign, etc. So there is a full world to discover and using these specific features with the API for this platform. And I planned, as I mentioned before, to also record a video doing that. So I will look into it. I will plan an entire automation workflow for this using these features specifically, and I will upload it in a few weeks, I would say. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.